Remember last week we created and collected our damage assessment features? Well, find out how to get this information from your mobile devices and into your reports. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for another bonus tutorial. Last week we created a damage assessment form and we also collected features. So today we'll be taking those features from our mobile devices and we'll get them into a format that is meant for reporting. So let's go. And by the way, if you need a reminder about creating the damage assessment forms and collecting the data, then you can check out the link at the top of your screen right now for last week's tutorial. I'll also link it at the end of this video. So in our first step, we'll go to our ArcGIS Online subscription account at arcgis.com and we will log in with our username and password. I'll add a link in the description box for more information about ArcGIS Online. We then go to the Content tab and select the Damage Assessment feature layer to open the item details. And just a note, after last week's tutorial, I collected a few more features for the purpose of today's tutorial. So once we are in the item details, all we need to do is to click the drop-down box by Export Data and we see our list of options. I figure that some of you may not use the Esri desktop software or other mapping software. That's why we have so many options here. There's something for everybody. And today I'll be exporting to Excel. So we click Export to Excel and give it a name. And we do know that Excel allows for easy reporting. So once done, the item details for the new Excel file opens up and you just need to select download. And there you are. You're done just like that. You may also want to add some kind of map of some sort to visually show the distribution of the damage locations, to add to your report. So remember in last week's tutorial in step 2, we created a web map. Well, that was the web map that we used to collect data, but we are also going to go back to that web map today on our desktop computers to create a map in a form that's meant for reporting. So we go to our map tab and we click the drop down by new map. That damage assessment map should pop up, but if it doesn't, then you can find it in your content page and you can open it from there. Anyhow, once the map opens, you can zoom in a little bit more to your area of interest, particularly where the damages were collected or the damage assessment was collected. And all you have to do is to select print up top and you can print it as it is or print it with a legend. I think the latter may be a more suitable option for reporting. And once that is done, then that's it. Now we have our items that we can add to our damage assessment report and we are good to go. Thanks so much for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe as well as share this tutorial with your friends or colleagues or anyone you feel will be interested in this particular topic. Also, please leave a comment below to let me know how I'm doing or if there's anything else that you'd like to see. So thanks again and see you next time.